The Barbados situation has been highlighted at the opening of a two-day regional security and justice summit hosted by the Attorney General's Office and the Inter-American Development Bank. Attorney General Dear Marshall says 49 is an alarming figure considering the island's size.
For you, 49 may not seem like a significant figure, but 49 homicides in Little Barbados is a big thing for us. But even that statistic speaks to even more concerning social concerns, since of that number, 49, 16 were as a result of stabbings and bludgeonings. The others were from firearms. That 16 that were the results of stabbings and bludgeonings suggests that there may be underlying mental issues, conflict resolution issues, or anger management issues that we also have to embrace and grapple with as countries.
The Attorney General acknowledges the region has to formulate a common plan of action to address the issues of rising crime. He says Barbados therefore welcomes the establishment of the Alliance for Security, Development and Justice, which will be launched tomorrow.
Its objectives, which focus on the protection of vulnerable populations, building institutional capacity in law enforcement agencies, and stemming illicit financial flows, are problems with which the Caribbean region is grappling. This alliance follows on the heels of our own efforts within the region. Last year, under the chairmanship of Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. the Honorable Keith Rowley, the region's heads convened in Trinidad and Tobago to examine crime and violence as a public health concern.
Vice President for Sector and Knowledge at the Inter-American Development Bank, Ana Maria Ibanez, says countries have been working together to structure the Alliance initiative.
And the Alliance will serve as a catalyst for joint efforts across diverse actors. It will strategically complement existing networks who are present today, bringing added value to the ongoing work of the security community in the region.
According to a recent IDB study, which shows the burden crime places on societies, the direct cost of crime in 2022 reached 3.44% of the region's gross domestic product. Anesta Henry, CBC News.